Hi everyone, welcome to my video review of the FiFine K688 dynamic microphone for podcasting and general studio works. So let's start with unboxing. As you can see right here, FiFine K688 microphone comes in simple paper box with AmpliTank logo on the sides. It also has some examples of features printed all over. Inside the box we have paper printed user guide, microphone itself, USB-C to USB-A connection cable, and mounting adapter which is needed if one would want to attach the microphone to the boom arm. First impression after unboxing is quite good. Everything seems to be of good quality. Now let's have a closer look at the microphone and supplied accessories. The user guide has clear explanation about the device features and how to connect it. I'll advise to read it before first use. USB-C to USB-A connection cable is quite long and of reasonable quality, seems to be well made. Next we have here mounting adapter which is needed if one would want to attach microphone to the boom arm. It is also seems to be well made. Now let's take a closer look at the microphone itself. It has an aluminium construction. There is no plastic parts besides the backplate with control area. It feels good, with quite substantial weight to it. It seems to be a very durable build. The shock mount of the microphone has elastic suspension which could reduce low-frequency rumble during use. On the back of the microphone we have XLR connector, USB-C connector, 3.5mm headphones out and two volume knobs for the input volume of the microphone and for the output volume of the headphones. The quality of the knob is okay. It is easy to operate, although it could be a bit too small for some people. On the side of the microphone we have a mute knob, which could be used only if microphone connected over USB. In case if microphone connected over XLR connector, those features are not available. Volume control and muting has to be done via connected interface. I've got one more thing to unbox today. It is FiFine BM88 low-profile microphone boom arm stand. In the box we've got user guide and nicely packed, disassembled BM88 microphone boom stand itself. As you can see right here, this boom arm has sturdy build. It's made out of metal, there is no plastic parts besides cable management caps. All construction is very well designed. All elements of it made very well. Here we also have quite well built C-clamp and mounting adapter with mounting kit. So let's put it all together and try it out. Now I'm connecting microphone to the boom stand. First I'm going to install the adapter which comes with the microphone. I have to say that the assembly process is not difficult and does not require much of physical force. It is very easy to build. BM88 boom stand has low profile design. It could fit basically any desk, even with only small space available. It could be repositioned and moved in many directions very easily. As I already have mentioned, B88 also has built-in cable management system, whereas one can hide connection cable. I have to say that it could feed quite thick cables. Click system is easy to operate. It pops on and off with very small effort and stays attached without any problems. FiFine K688 dynamic microphone created specifically to be used as plug-and-play USB audio compliant device. Therefore, it could be easily connected to any USB connector and used as external audio device without installation of specific drivers. As you can see right here, it could be plugged in the USB-C connector on Thunderbolt 4 dock, which is connected to the laptop. One just needs to choose K688 as an audio input device and it's ready to be used. FiFine K688 also works with iPadOS. Due to its plug-and-play nature, it is instantaneously recognized by the system as soon as it's connected, and right away it is ready to work. All control knobs, including mute button on top, working just as intended in USB mode. As I already have mentioned, K688 can be used in two modes. One is an USB mode and the other is XLR mode. In XLR mode, microphone can be directly connected to the mixer or any audio interface over XLR connector. XLR connection by itself minimizes digital circuit noise, therefore delivering better audio performance, which is slightly more detailed, slightly more natural sound. This mode is more suitable for studio high-quality vocal recordings. In case of XLR mode, volume of the incoming signal can be adjusted only on the interface. Have to say that K688 is not the loudest dynamic microphone I've heard, but it works very well, no problems whatsoever. I've noticed a clear difference between recordings made in USB mode and the recordings I made in XLR mode. In XLR mode, FiFine K688 is able to deliver rich, high-quality vocal recordings without sounding harsh, sibilant and without any deformation. Recordings I've made in USB mode were sound quite good as well, but not as rich and detailed as in XLR mode. Now I would like to present you two samples of recording I've made with K688. First clip is the recording I've made with K688 connected over USB-C to the iPad running Apogee meta recording iPadOS app. The second clip is the recording I've made with K688 connected over XLR to the Moto M2 audio interface. Please take a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the test of the FiFine K688 dynamic microphone. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the test of the FiFine K688 dynamic microphone. As you could hear, FiFine K688 is capable of capturing very good high-quality audio with low self-noise. This dynamic microphone is very easy to use. It is USB audio class compliant or plug-and-play, therefore could be used with many devices including phones and tablets. It has well thought through design and could be used with any audio interface or mixer over XLR connection with even better results. It is very cost effective, therefore suitable for those who just makes first steps in podcasting and audio recording in general. In my opinion, FiFine K688 dynamic microphone could also be a good fit for well-experienced creators and alike due to good build quality, extended functionality and ease of use. And that will be all for now. As usual, thank you for watching it, thumbs up if you liked it, please subscribe, and I see you all next time.